If the world warms by 1 degree, the Arctic is ice-free for half the year, opening the legendary Northwest Passage for ships. Tens of thousands of homes around the Bay of Bengal are flooding. Hurricanes begin hitting the South Atlantic. Severe droughts in the western U.S. cause shortages in global grain and meat markets. This could be our world plus 1 degree.
At 1 degree additional warming to today, we're likely to see the emergence of new deserts in the western half of the United States, from Texas in the south right up to the Canadian border, is in danger of becoming new hyper-arid areas where really no crops can be grown at all.
The Earth's average temperature has always fluctuated, and a variable climate isn't unusual. It's the pace of climate change today that's unprecedented.
If you had asked us 10 or 20 years ago, what would be the impact of 1 or 2 degrees additional warming, we would say, well, probably we can live with that.
NASA climate scientist James Hansen was one of the first to sound the alarm about global warming. The threat has only escalated as he's struggled to be heard.
What we realize now is that we're getting so close to tipping points that we're going to have to stabilize atmospheric CO2.
Studying climates in the past has given Hansen a window onto the dangers posed by global warming.
In the last million years, it's never been more than 1 degree Celsius warmer than it is now. What we are doing now with the human-made greenhouse gases is an order of magnitude larger, and it's being introduced very rapidly.
Arctic sea ice reflects about 80% of the sun's heat, stabilizing the colder temperature of the ocean. Based on the latest satellite data cited in a December 2007 article, National Aeronautics and Space Administration climate scientist Jay Zwally predicts that nearly all the ice could be gone from the Arctic Ocean by the end of summer 2012. Arctic ice in September 2007 was 23% below previous record low from NASA satellite data and 50% below 1950 levels from ship data. Other records surpassed. Greenland's surface ice loss is now 400% greater than 15 years ago. Surface temperatures in the Arctic are the highest in 77 years of record keeping. There is hope. According to James Hansen, top climate scientist at NASA, we have passed tipping points. We have not passed a point of no return. We can still roll things back, but it is going to require a quick turn in direction.